Email scams are getting harder to spot. Some look almost identical to real messages from banks, delivery companies, Microsoft, Google, PayPal, or even your own workplace. Because of that, many people only realize something is wrong after they have already clicked a link, opened an attachment, or entered their password. The good news is that you do not need to be technical to spot many scam emails. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple warning signs that can help you stop, check, and stay safe before you click anything. The number 1 warning sign is urgency. Scam emails often try to panic you. They may say your account is about to be locked, your payment failed, your mailbox is full, or you must confirm something immediately. That pressure is there for a reason. Scammers want you to react quickly before you have time to think properly. Real companies can send important alerts too, but scam emails often feel more aggressive. They try to push you into clicking straight away. So if an email creates a strong sense of panic or pressure, that is your signal to slow down and check it carefully. The number 2 warning sign is the sender address. This is one of the easiest checks, but many people skip it. The display name may say something familiar like Microsoft Support or Amazon Billing, but the actual email address may tell a very different story. For example, the email might claim to be from a trusted company, but the sender address could contain random letters, a strange domain, or a small spelling change that is easy to miss. Always look at the full sender address, not just the name shown at the top. The number 3 warning sign is strange wording. Some scam emails still contain spelling mistakes, poor grammar, or awkward phrases. Others are written more clearly, but still sound slightly unnatural. Maybe the tone feels strange, too formal, too aggressive, or simply unlike how a real company would normally write. This does not always mean the email is fake, but it is a useful clue. If the language feels off, unclear, or inconsistent, be careful. Small warning signs often matter more when several appear together. The number 4 warning sign is suspicious links. Many scam emails want you to click a link to sign in, reset a password, confirm a payment, track a parcel, or review a document. But the text you see in the email is not always the website you will actually open. If you are using a computer, hover your mouse over the link without clicking. In many email apps or browsers, you will see the real website address. On a phone, some apps let you press and hold carefully to preview the link. If the destination looks strange, shortened, unrelated to the company, or slightly misspelled, do not open it. Number 5 warning sign is unexpected attachments. Scam emails often include files such as fake invoices, fake receipts, fake documents, or compressed files. These are designed to make the email look important, so that you open the attachment quickly without thinking too much. If you are not expecting the file, be careful. This is especially true for zip files, Word documents, Excel files, or even PDF files from unknown or suspicious senders. An attachment may look harmless, but it can still be risky. The number 6 warning sign is a request for sensitive information. If an email asks for your password, one-time code, card details, bank details, or personal information, treat that as a major red flag. Legitimate organizations usually do not ask you to send sensitive information by email. This is especially important with one-time passcodes and verification codes. If someone asks for those, they may be trying to gain access to your account right now. Never share that kind of information through email. The number 7 warning sign is that something just does not feel right. Sometimes the logo looks a little wrong. Sometimes the layout is strange. Sometimes the message is too generic, like "Dear customer," instead of using your name. And sometimes the email is about a service you never even use. That feeling matters. You do not always need to know exactly what is wrong. If something feels off, trust that instinct and verify the message another way before you do anything else. Here is a simple, real-life example. Imagine you receive an email saying your Microsoft account password will expire today. The message looks official. It includes a blue button and it tells you to act immediately. But then you notice the sender address is unusual. the wording feels slightly awkward, and when you hover over the button, the website address does not look like Microsoft at all. That is exactly the kind of moment where these warning signs can protect you. So before you click anything, remember these 7 checks. 1. Watch for urgency. 2. Check the sender address. 3. Notice strange wording. 4. Inspect links carefully. 5. Be cautious with attachments. 6. Never send sensitive information by email. 7. And if something feels wrong, stop and verify. The safest habit of all is very simple. Do not use the link in the email. Instead, go directly to the official website yourself or open the real app and check there. That one habit can protect you from many common phishing scams. If the email claims to be from your workplace, contact your IT team or verify with the sender using a trusted method such as Teams, Slack, or a known phone number. Do not reply blindly to the suspicious email itself, and if you are ever unsure, it is always better to pause than to rush. A few extra seconds of checking can save you from a hacked account, a stolen password, or a much bigger problem later. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple IT tips on security, backups, troubleshooting, and everyday tech. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly what to do if you already clicked on a phishing email.